Let's add another Google account. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Manage accounts. Here, tap on Add account. And from this list, you have to select Google. And it may ask you to verify your phone PIN, password or pattern. And here we can see the Google sign in option. Enter here your Google account email or phone number. And now write here your Google account password. And if your Google account turn on two-step verification, then you have to verify this option. Once you successfully verified your account, tap on I agree. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully added my another Google account. Now to see this account all mails, just open the Gmail app on your phone, or you can simply open your Samsung email app. Tap on this menu icon, tap on settings, tap on add account, and go ahead and select your account, or just you can open the Gmail app. Tap on this profile photo, select your new added Google account, and now you can see all emails for the Google account. That's it.